Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix a failed to launch a game on EA app. So without further ado, let's get started. First step, go to EA app, press on your profile icon here, on the little arrow down button, go to settings, go to application, scroll down, and then you should see in-game overlay. Disable it and turn off. Also, you can do that on Steam as well. Go to Steam, press on the Steam icon here, press settings, and on settings you need to go to in-game overlay and disable in-game overlay as well. Also, a lot of apps and games use this overlay like Discord, Nvidia, so try to disable all overlays that you know that is working on your computer, and then look if the problem persists or not. So this is the first step. Other solution, also go to EA app, press on this horizontal lines here, and then basically sign out. And once you signed out, restart your computer, go back, sign in, and look if the problem persists or not. Another thing is by reloading a page. Just expand this option, reload page, and after page reloads, look if it's working or not. Next thing, go on search and look for EA. Right click again, open file location. Right click again, open file location. Look for EA Launcher exe. If you don't see exe, press view, and then here it will be file name extensions. Make sure it's marked. Then right click on launcher, properties, compatibility. Make sure to run this program in compatibility mode as administrator. Disable full screen optimization. Select this option and select Windows 8 and apply the changes. Look if the problem persists. Another fix, go to EA app, press on the horizontal lines on the top left. You need to go to help, app recovery, and clear cache. And guys, if all these methods do not work, then completely close EA. Then you need to go to installed apps, and then you need to look for a Microsoft Edge WebView 2 runtime. For me, there is no particular component, but if there is for you, you just need to search it, uninstall it, and then what you need to do here, restart your computer, open a browser and write Microsoft Edge WebView 2 runtime, and click on first link here, and it reinstalled on your PC. And after you do so, then clear cache of the EA app and it should work for you. So yeah, that's basically it.